In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get all the badges here in Big or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and let us know what you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them in the comment section below and we can help you further out. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the badges or rewards menu in the game just like so. This is going to be on the left hand sidebar. When you open it up, you're going to see all the badges in the entire game. This is what's in temporarily in the game. There's probably going to be more in the future as well. And if you click on every single one of them, you'll see the name, the reward, and of course what you have to do in order to complete them. So for example, you need to bake 1 pie, you need to bake 10 pies, 100 pies, 1,000 pies, make an explosive pie, bake a pie with 6 unique ingredients. This process really are simple. You just need to go through and see exactly what you need to do since there is a specific quest per achievement or badge. So essentially, you just need to pick one on badge, right? Like defeat the Doomberry, right? And then focus specifically on that until you do it. Now, you can complete separate ones in the process. You don't have to like select one and be fully locked in on it, but you just have to have it in the back of your mind as you work towards completing it. Especially some of these harder ones like defeating the evil scientist, Doomberry, and these other bosses. Once you complete the requirement, go back to the badge, and then you're able to just claim the reward just like that. It's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.